You asked, we delivered. The Lunchbox Hydration Sling takes everything you love about our trusty hydration pack and combines it with the sleek, compact convenience of a sling. In this video, we'll walk you through every feature and pro tip to get you prepped for your next adventure.
Let's talk anti-theft. The sling is built with security baked in from every single angle. Your phone gets its own dedicated anti-theft pocket that sits flat against your body when you're wearing it, out of sight, out of reach, right where it should be. All external zippers are fitted with anti-theft zipper clips that lock together, so when they're zipped closed, they seal shut for added weather resistance, so nobody's getting in, not wandering hands, not the elements, and you can move freely, dance hard, and not think twice about your stuff. In the bag itself, built from 420D, diamond ripstop and coated nylon, cut resistant, weather resistant, and made to last.
This isn't just a crossbody bag, it's a full hydration system in sling form. And refilling is easier than you think. Just swing the pack around to the front, unclip the insulated bladder compartment, unzip, pull the bladder out, and fill up. Never have to take it off, never miss a beat. The bladder is a 1.2 liter, no leak thumb lock model that lives in its dedicated insulated compartment. The hose is insulated too, so your water stays cold even on the hottest days. The bite valve has two modes. Flip it on for your standard bite and sip, or switch to free flow mode so you can share water with others without them actually having to put their mouth on your nozzle. So switch to on as you normally would, rotate the blue part clockwise, then apply a little pressure to the bladder area to get the water flowing. Easy peasy and plur. The hose exit ports work on both the left and the right side on the bottom here. So whether you need to sling it left or sling it right, you're covered. One more thing, the sliding stealth strap keeps the hose tucked away until you need it. No more accidentally whacking your friends. You're welcome.
Don't let the compact profile trick you. The Hydration Sling packs 3.5 liters of storage with 8 purpose-built pockets, giving every item its place. Phone, wallet, keys, earplugs, festival essentials, and even trinkets. And the last thing that you want to worry about after a fun night out is losing your keys. So we put a nifty keyring clip in the main compartment so that it's safe and sound. Don't forget about the 2 nylon loops on the outside where you can easily clip carabiners with candy, plushies, or perlers.
Built for long days and even longer nights, the Hydration Sling features breathable cloud mesh padding on the back of the pack and the strap, delivering soft, ventilated comfort even during high energy movement. It's comfy on both clothing and bare skin alike.
Wear the Hydration Sling as a crossbody or across your waist as a fanny pack. We give you 2 sizes of straps so that you can find your perfect fit. To put on the strap, push the clip together until it releases. Then slide it through this strap on the pack, then close, and make sure the clips on both sides face the same direction.
Bag policy stress is real, so let us put your mind at ease. The Hydration Sling is approved under the hydration bag category at most festivals, meaning that it gets evaluated as a hydration pack rather than a regular bag. It has 2 compartments, as we discussed, plus the dedicated water compartment, which means the majority of the time it checks out under the hydro pack category. But if you're not sure about a specific festival's policy, just shoot us an email at fam@itsmylunchbox.com. We're happy to look it up and walk you through it.
Now you're all set. The only thing left to do is get out there and break your new pack in. Tag us on socials at Lunchbox Packs, wherever your adventures take you, as we love to feature the Lunchbox fam. Welcome to the Lunchbox fam, and we'll catch you at our next meetup or on the dance floor.